So today I will tell you about math functions in C. So math functions in C are performed by using a C standard library called as math.h. So here you can see I included a math.h C library and I used it here. So I am going to teach you math functions through a program. So I should run this program first. Here I will enter the radius. So whenever I enter the radius, it tells us the area of circle, the surface area of sphere and volume of the sphere of same radius. So this is how it works. Let me open this in a new terminal, new window. Now it will be easy for us. So first I included a math.h library. I declared some variables and now you can see here I used a function called as power. So power a radius square. We all know the circle area is pi r square. So I used pi, and for r square I took the radius and put the power exponent to be 2, and I used it everywhere. So math.h provides us with various functions such as square root, sines, floor for rounding of floor for rounding off and various other functions. So this is our circle calculator and you should discover math.h on your own, which will be much better for you and must practice these programs. And second program for learning math.h is a compound interest calculator. Here you can see this is a comment for the compound interest calculator formula. And now you can see I included standard input output and math.h. I declared the variables we require. I asked for the inputs from the user with everything we need, and then I at the end I used power function and calculated the formula. So you should also practice this program on your own and you will be really good at C. Amount of principal, let it be 5,000. Interest be 3%. The number of times interest get compounded, let it be 4 years in 3. And you can see this is the total amount and this is the interest. So this is our compound interest calculator. Thank you. And these were the math functions.